Linux Mint versus Ubuntu. Which Linux distro is best for you? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Linux Mint and Ubuntu. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start by talking about Linux Mint. Linux Mint is known for its simplicity and ease of use, especially for users who are transitioning from Windows. It uses the Cinnamon desktop environment by default, which gives it a familiar look and feel. Mint includes essential software and media codecs out of the box, making it ready to use immediately. It's lightweight, stable, and doesn't consume many resources. However, it may not always include the latest software updates as quickly as other distributions. Now let's talk about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular and widely supported Linux distributions. It features a modern GNOME desktop environment and has a huge user community. Ubuntu offers great hardware compatibility and is backed by Canonical, which provides regular updates and long-term support versions. It's beginner-friendly but may require users to install additional codecs or tools to get everything working perfectly right away. Also, some users may find GNOME to be heavier on system resources. So that's basically the main differences are between Obsidian and GoodNotes, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.